this session we are going to create a new report. To create a new report, select the report icon on the left browser. This is only available if the user has the right permissions. So to create a new report, highlight my reports, right mouse click, new search, and the new search window will open. We can give a name to our new report. So my new report. Number of rows to be displayed. The permissions, we can create a private report, so it's a report that this user will be able to execute and no one else. Or we can create a public report, and when we create a public report, we can select the users or the roles that can execute this report. In this case, I'm going to create a private report, and then I go to the next tab, which is the Query tab. The Query tab lets me select from all the topic categories that are in the database. It lets me select the categories, the fields. I will be able to put some filters on, and I can sort my output in an order based on a field from a topic category. In this case, I want to report on change sets. So the change set topic is going to the category, and from a change set in my report, I want to see the title. So dragging the title to the field. I want to see the status the change set is currently in. I want to have the revisions that are related to that change set. And I want also the application the change set has been created for, and that change set is going to bring changes to production for. This is the first step, just saving this and closing it. Now I have here my new report. Clicking on it, I would see now that I have all the change sets with the title, with the status. I can make this a bit bigger. With all the revisions, if there are sometimes multiple revisions related to a change set and the system this change set has been created for, the complex app, the client app, the mainframe app, I can now refine my report by editing it again. Going to my query, I can define a filter. I can define that I'm not interested in all the applications, but I'm just interested in seeing the change sets for the complex app and for the client app. By saving this, closing it, going back to my report, re-executing, you see that now my output is limited to the client app and the complex app, and that the other change sets for the banking app or the mainframe app are not displayed and their revisions are not available. From this report, I can just export it to CSV file. I can open it with Excel. When it's downloaded, it opens automatically, and I have here my report available in Excel, and I can save it, mail it to other interested people in the organization, or I can just create a public report and give those people access to that report so they can execute it themselves. So this was a first session on the reporting. We have a second way of creating reports, and that is through the rule system. This is going to be explained in a later session.